Hey everyone, welcome to step 3. And in this step, we're going to go ahead and brand you. Yes, we're going to go ahead and brand you by making your own domain. And what's your domain? A domain is your website name. So it would be yourwebsitename.com. Okay, that's your domain. It's how people see you. It's how you brand yourself, and it's what you tell people. It's what website you tell people to go to. If you have a product, a service, anything you're selling online, you tell people to go to this website, and they go there, and they check you out. So who you are, they learn more about you, and all that good stuff. So how do you set up a domain? This is simple, and I'm going to go ahead and add a button here, but I did not do that yet. So you're just gonna want to go to GoDaddy.com. Okay, you go to this website, GoDaddy.com, and you're gonna go ahead and find your perfect domain. So let's just go ahead and make an example here. Okay, so let's do make money in 2022.com. As we can see, it's been taken already, so somebody has branded themselves to this website. So when they go here, they're going to see that's already taken. But you can go to make money in 2022.info, and that'll be $3 for the first year. You can do money in 2022.com, that'll be a penny for the first 2 years with registration. So first time customers get this with GoDaddy. I've used my coupon years ago when I got started online. I used my coupon, but you guys can go ahead and create your domain. Be creative. I mean, this is going to be you. You guys are going to have this domain for a long time, so make it creative, make it you, make it something that's catchy, make it something that people are going to like. So it's as easy as that. And after that, you're going to have to forward your domain to this website, and I'll actually be showing you that later on in the series when I make another video. But you guys actually have to forward this domain to your website, which I'll show you how to do soon. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.